Sometimes I think, what did I do to deserve someone like you? I try to, but I can't find the reason, so I pray just to thank God to have you for this day. Amen. It's moments like these when I realize that you're the true meaning now for my life. That's right. Now to keep you forever is my goal, and these rings on our fingers makes us whole. Listen. She's perfect from her hair to her toenails. Our love goes wherever the boat sails, and as long as we keep faith we'll get there. Now I'm dreaming of sunshine and deck chairs. We need to get away from this place. Babe, I'm wishing, I'm working for that day. Let's go. Wishing on the stars up in the night sky. There's no lady like mine.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight.
To our future, I can only see greatness. My life was out of shape, then you shaped it. You're amazing, beautiful and clever too. Thank you. You are my world, they can't better you. Listen, honestly, I love you in every way, and frankly, I would die for you any day. I'm sorry for those times you were mad at me. Now we're happy, let's build up a family. Check this out, watching our kids growing bit by bit. I want them to get all of those things we never did. You know I'm aiming for this, like really, really. You know I'm serious, even if I've been acting silly. I know you trust me, I love you for the rest of my life. I got the best feeling that it's gonna be alright. If we can make it through the night till the morning, it's like deja vu, cause before this I saw it.
When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. No, no.